Welcome to the world of endless possibilities, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Where simple tweaks can turn around your day. And where imagination is the key to unlocking the genius within. Today, we're going to show you 10 amazing life hacks you've never seen before. Have you ever found yourself running late and your shoes are a mess? Here's a trick. Use a banana peel to polish your shoes. It's quick, it's easy, and it's environmentally friendly. The natural oils in the banana peel will give your shoes a new shine. Ever wished you had just a bit more space in your microwave? Here's a trick. Use a mug to create a second level, and voila, you've just doubled your cooking space. No more waiting for one dish to heat before you can start on the next. Lost your earring back? Don't worry, grab a pencil eraser. Cut it in half and use it as a makeshift earring back. It's simple and effective. And it also adds a pop of color for a fun, quirky touch. How about when you're trying to pour a liquid from a pot or bowl and it spills everywhere? Here's a pro tip. Use a spatula as a pour spout. It's easy, it's genius, and it'll save you from the dreaded cleanup. Picture this. Your favorite tune comes on, but your phone speaker isn't loud enough. What do? Grab a glass, pop your phone inside, and let the acoustics do the rest. It's a surefire way to amplify your sounds without an expensive speaker. Tangled jewelry is a nightmare. But did you know that baby powder can be a lifesaver? Sprinkle some on your knotted chains, work it gently, and watch the tangles come undone. It's magic in a bottle. Here's a treat for the book lovers. Have you ever lost your place because your bookmark fell out? Try using a rubber band. Secure it around the book, and you'll never lose your page again. Struggling to open a stubborn jar lid? Use duct tape. Stick a piece on, leave a flap to pull on, and watch how easily the lid comes off. It's a simple solution to a common problem. If you're using post-it notes for reminders, you're only scratching the surface of their potential. Did you know you can use them to clean your keyboard? Run the sticky edge between the keys and watch the dust and dirt lift away. And finally, here's a hack that's sure to change your life. Tired of your cables tangling up? Use binder clips to organize them on your desk. It's neat, it's practical, and it'll save you from the frustration of tangled cords. Remember, life doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, all it takes is a little creativity to make your day run smoother. So go ahead, try these hacks and watch how they transform your life. Because, after all, life is all about finding joy in the simple things. Stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more videos.